Welcome and thanks for joining us for our Links 0070 breaking news report. Popular dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel murder conviction squashed by the Privy Council. However, he's not out the woods just yet, as the Jamaican Court of Appeal have to decide on a possible retrial. When we return, we'll have the full and exclusive details of this to come. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 10 years after being convicted of a murder, popular dancehall artist Vybz Kartel and his co-convicts have won their appeal against the conviction and sentence. The grounds on which they have been overturned are due to the jury misconduct. The Judicial Committee of the Privy Council ruled on Thursday in the highly anticipated judgment. This means that the case will be readmitted to the Jamaican Court of Appeal to decide on whether there should be a retrial in the matter. Vybz Kartel's real name is Adija Parma, was convicted on March 13, 2014 along with fellow appellants Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John's for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The Jamaican Court of Appeal dismissed their appeal against the conviction, and their cases were then handed to the Privy Council. Lord Reid, Lord Lloyd Jones, Lord Briggs, Lord Barrows and Lady Slindler heard their appeal during the two-day hearing of the UK Privy Council in February. They decided that it was unsafe to follow the tainted juror to remain on the jury which decided the men's fate. These men include Vybz Kartel, Kahira Jones, Sean Campbell and Andre St. John. The juror was later convicted of attempting to bribe a fellow juror. More details on this will come in our comprehensive program Let's Talk. This has been Links 007 TV breaking news report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.